Good morning everybody and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be doing this gorgeous butterfly mould. I received this from Paint Someway. Paint Someway are another crafting company that do things like cross stitching, diamond art and also resin moulds, etc. I'll put their link in the description. There isn't a discount code or anything like that, it's just something that they sent me to test. And to give a review on their products. So I've chosen pink and purple, but I want pastel, and I do have some pastel colours, but I want the mica powder, not actual pigment paste. So I'm going to mix these with the Supreme White pigment paste from Just For Online UK to make a pastel, and I'm going to mix, like, do bits of pink and purple, just so like they can't, not marble, because I'm sick of doing marble, but just so that they incorporate together, so they've got like a mixture of colour there. And then on this side I'm going to be doing a combination of purple and pink floating mica powder. I can't get my words out today, guys, honestly. Pink and purple glitter. So I have 250 ml of resin sat in my, well, mixing in my cup here, which is the Apex High Gloss 1:1 resin from Just For You Online UK. All links from today's products will be in the description, along with discount codes if I have any. So on that note, I don't have to get PPE kit on because I've got that on, so I'm just waiting for this to mix and I'll be back. See you shortly. Alright, so I've just moved my mould out of the way, and look guys, I filled it up. 4 videos trying to get resin, alcohol spray out the bottom of the pot, the bottle was about that much in it. Honestly, it's been horrendous, but I did fill it up finally. Right, so the large pot I'm going to be putting my glitters in. And the reason why I want to use the floating mica powders and not normal glitter is just because I want it to float. I don't want it to be all sunk down to one side. I should measure my mica powder really, shouldn't I? Because if I need to mix them up, I need to make sure that I've got the right colour, but hey ho, it's all good. So my mould is just behind me on my table. I've just moved it out of the way so that I had enough room, as my work surface is not big enough for everything. Right, so what I'm going to be doing, as I said before, I'm going to be adding some of the Supreme White pigment paste from Just For You Online UK. Just a small amount, just to make these a pastel colour. But what I am going to do is I'm going to time lapse you, just so you're not sat watching me mix up colours. And I'll be back with you once this is all mixed.
Purple and pink, I take my time. Watch it shine. White paste flows soft as a cloud. Colors blend. Oh, I'm so proud. Swirl it, pastel streams. Oh, mixing shades, living dreams. Purple, pink, white collide. Epoxy love, it's my ride. Mica powder in my hand. Oh yeah. Making magic, understand.
So that's my colours mixed up. I'm just going to wipe off my stick. I'll clean them later. And what I'm thinking about doing is, you can't go wrong with gills, so I'm going to add glitter because it's for a 1-year-old, so we need lots of glitter, I think. I'm starting to like some sparkle now. As you can see, I'm using glitter in quite a lot of my videos recently. Do them colours look okay, do you think? She will like them because she likes pink. She does like pink, she loves pink better, but I just wanted to do a look a bit different than pink. Her mum likes purple, so best of both worlds for mum and baby. Beautiful. I absolutely love these colours. And then you've got the glitter itself. Right, so I'm going to bring back the mould now. Right, I can't get it in shot any more than that, so you'll have to make do with the view. If I lift it up too much, it should be fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spritz this with some isopropyl alcohol, and that will help with the surface tension for any bubbles that may want to find their way into the 90-degree angles and stick. Right, so I'm going to pinch the nozzle and I'm just going to drip I'm going to do the same with the pink. Yeah, really, I think the colours are lovely, nice and subtle. Oops. Doesn't matter if you get resin in these parts, they'll come out. I would advise to not put as much resin in your pots because it's very hard to pour it. So what you're doing is just basically going up layer and layer and layer of the pink and the purple, and then I'm going to time lapse you now and I'll be back.
Making art, take it high, butterfly, watch it fly. Colors change, see the light. UV resin shining bright. Crafting dreams, we don't stop. Every million hues make it pop. Every shade in the mix, creating magic just like this. Butterfly, butterfly, ooh yeah. Watch it change, see it fly. Resin flow in the air, ooh, fun and jolly everywhere.
Right guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix up another 10ml, and I'm just going to mix the pink and add it there. I'm just going to leave it, I'm not going to touch it. It's almost full, it's just here it needs filling a little bit more. So and I'll be back for demold. I'm going to get all this cleaned up, etc. So I shall see you shortly. Bye. Hi, I'm back, and this is now cured. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this the opposite way round and demould it from this side. Right, and here we go. This is the butterfly for my daughters, my granddaughter as well. What do you think? I can't get decent lighting on it, but you've got the purpley pinky glitter, and then you've got the transparent glitter with a bit of pink running through. I think it's quite pretty, really pretty actually. I like it, it's different. It's nice, really nice, I like it. So that'll stay there now for a few days. Well, that'll go to one side for a few days. And that will enable curing process to take place. As this takes about 4 days to properly to fully cure. So what I'm going to do now, guys, is I'm going to leave that with you. Please like, comment and subscribe if you've not already done so. That would help my channel out so much. Let me know what you think in the comments. And on that note, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next upload on Monday. Goodbye.